This job was at Koonawara, down Wollongong way. In heavy rain, the runoff from the uphill house blocks was running under this house, causing havoc with the brick piers, house wall foundations and adjoining footpaths. We needed to replace 3 brick piers, underpinned another 3 or 4, then packed a couple more. We used this type of metal pier set in a block of concrete 400 by 400 by 400 millimeters. To deal with the water running under the house, we cut in a French drain to divert the flow to keep the underhouse dry. To deal with the garage wall subsiding, we inserted a concrete pin under its foundation. The path that was sinking into the void, we demolished, reformed up and poured again. Then we refitted the colorbond fence. The path was too far gone to save with underpinning. Another happy client.